Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you 5 different ways to make your own stickers on iPhone using iOS 26. And the best part is you don't need any third-party apps at all. Let's get right into it. Let's start with the first and easiest method, creating stickers from your photos. Open the Photos app and find a picture that has a clear subject like your pet, your face, or an object. Tap and hold on that subject until you see the outline glow around it, then release and tap Add Sticker. Just like that, your iPhone automatically removes the background and turns it into a clean sticker. Now, when you open Messages and go to the Stickers section, you'll find it right there, ready to use. You can tap to send it like a normal message or drag it onto another message or photo. And if you want to make it like more fun, tap and hold the sticker, then choose Add Effect. You can make it look like an outline, puffy, shiny, or even comic style. These effects give your sticker a cool 3D look that really stands out. Next, let's talk about animated stickers made from live photos. If you've got a live photo, those photos that move when you hold them, you can make them into animated stickers. Just open your live photo, tap and hold the subject or the object, and then choose Add Sticker. That's it. Now you've got a moving sticker that loops automatically. It's perfect for reactions or fun clips of your pets or friends. Now here is another quick method, making stickers directly inside Messages. If you're chatting and get an idea for a sticker, just open any conversation, tap the plus icon and choose Stickers. Then tap the new sticker button and pick a photo from your gallery. It will instantly turn into a sticker right there inside Messages. And you can even add effects on the spot. Here is a fun little secret. You can use any emoji as a sticker. Yeah. In the Stickers section of Messages, switch to the Emoji tab. From here, you can drag and drop any emoji onto a message or a photo, and even resize it or rotate it using your fingers. Yeah, so if you've ever wanted to stick a laughing emoji or a thumbs up directly on someone's message, now you can. And finally, there is one more method, creating stickers from the Files app. If you have an image saved in Files, like a transparent PNG or a downloaded meme, or you can turn it into a sticker too. Just tap and hold on the image and then choose Add Sticker. It will appear instantly in your stickers library, ready to use anywhere. There is another way. You can just tap and hold the image or photo and then remove background, and boom, the sticker is ready. All your custom stickers automatically sync through iCloud. So if you use an iPad or a Mac with the same Apple ID, your stickers will be there too. You don't need to make them again. So yeah, those are the 5 different ways you can make stickers right on your iPhone using iOS 26. No apps, no downloads. You can create them from your photos, live photos, directly in Messages, using emoji, or even from images saved in Files. It's simple, fun, and once you start, you will probably end up making way too many of them. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more iPhone and iOS 26 tips, and let me know in the comments which type of stickers do you like the most.